Hello, my name is Carson Gaddis, and today we're going to be talking about planned aggregate expenditure, and I'm going to show you how to graph it. Okay, this is our question, so I'm going to underline the important material. Draw a planned aggregate expenditure curve for an economy where autonomous expenditure is 400 and the marginal propensity to consume is equal to 0.6. I'm going to underline that whole thing right there. Okay, so first we're going to talk about the y-intercept and also the slope at the same time. So as we know, PAE equals A plus B times Y. So now we can fill in those blanks. We know that A equals autonomous expenditure. So A equals 400. We know that marginal propensity to consume is B. So B equals 0.6. Make those smaller too. So now we can go ahead and fill out this entire equation. So PAE equals 400 plus 0.6 y. Now that is our full PAE equation right there. And out of this, you're going to get a lot of information that's really good for your graph, which is right here. The next thing that we're going to work on is actually graphing this. So this is how you draw it. You're going to draw your PAE equals Y curve, which we're going to do a dotted green line right through here. And this line will always be right here. This is PAE equals Y. Now we're going to draw our PAE curve that we just found, and we're going to do that in purple. So we're going to start off with our slope, which is this number right here. And I'm sorry, not slope, I meant the intercept. So the point is going to be at 0, 400. Just like that. And then we're going to increase. If the y increases by 100, the PAE curve increases by 60, which is what the 0.6 means. So another point would be 100, 460, which would be just about right there. Or 500 to 700, which would be right there. And then we're just going to continue this line all the way through all of those points and make it solid. So it's going to just about right there, I'd say. And that is how you draw your planned aggregate expenditure graph. Now in this reviewed box down here, what does it mean when PAE equals Y? This actually means that it's actually in equilibrium. So we can find on this graph where it equals equilibrium, which we also talked about in this chapter. So it equals equilibrium at 1,000 as an output, and the price would also be 1,000. So we can find Keynesian equilibrium through this. Now we can also see down here some shifts and movements. Movements means the line is actually moving either up or down, and we can see some shifts. Some shifts means the line is actually moving up or down. Movements actually means it's moving alongside the curve, not up or down, sorry. It's moving this way or this way, but it is staying on that line. Shifts mean it's moving, it's shifting up or it's shifting down. And that is planned aggregate expenditure. Thank you.